Hello and welcome. Discover the ultimate crochet hook set featuring 18 interchangeable sizes from 2.0mm to 14.0mm. This ergonomic set includes built-in LED lights that illuminate your work, perfect for crafting in low light. Easily track your progress with the digital stitch and row counters right on the handle. Designed specifically for right-handed users, the comfortable grip reduces hand fatigue during long projects. The set also comes with a rechargeable lithium battery for convenient use anytime. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, this light-up crochet hook set makes crafting easier and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.